What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video. In today's video, y'all, showing y'all some deals I did today and showing y'all some hot items that Dollar General has for the low and some P&G deals as well. And I did like 2 deals from Family Dollar, so this video is gonna be jam-packed. You might as well get you a snacks and don't be skipping through. Watch the full video. Yes, you right there. Watch the whole video. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. And if you are watching and not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Because I don't miss a beat, and dealing with me, you won't either. So let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, here is the first 2 deals I did. Starting off, I wanted to get $10 back, so I did that. Spend 30, get 10 back. Getting P&G items, and it's a 5 off 25 as well. So starting off, I got the Dime Platinum $4.95. We have $2 coming off, making it $2.95. Then they have some new Old Spices out. Said it's Let's Go, and it has 07 on there. It is patchouli plus glory, whatever scent glory is, but it's $7. We have $2 coming out for that, making it just $5. Then we have a 6 off of 3 coupon. So I got 3 of these Old Spices for $6 each, totaling 18. $6 came off, making them 12. And I got these Gillette Sensor 3 razors. They were $6 with $3 coming off, making them just $3. Now the total was over 30, but after coupons and everything came off, the total for these items was $18.69, making each item $3.11. So bam, I got my $10 back doing this transaction, and I picked these 4 items up. I picked up the game that is in the 3 for 10, and we do have a coupon for that, so make sure you have your coupon clipped, and you can pick up 3 of these for $10. And you want to add an extra item. I was thirsty, so I grabbed me a tea and paid $1.85 for each for these all these items, y'all. I can't even get it out. I'm so excited. $1.85 for all 4 of these items, making each item just 46 cents, y'all. Yes, 46 cents. And I have another scenario for y'all just like this. So let's get into the next transaction. Okay, y'all, here is my next transaction, and this is what I got for the $10 off. So this P&G deal, I grabbed up the 23 low Tide. It was $5.50. We have $1 off, making it $4.50. Then the Febreze, and it's this particular one, Twilight Lavender. It's the only one that's attaching to that Febreze coupon that we have. So it was $3.50. $2 came off, making it $1.50. Then the Downy Cool Cotton is $5.35, $2 off, making it $3.35. Then the Downy Intense was $3.95 with $1 off, making it $2.95. And I was supposed to get the $4.95 done, but this worked out even better. These are $3.50 each, totaling $7. We have not 1 but 2 coupons coming off. A $2, making it 5, and then we have 50 cents coming off. So both of these was $4.50. Then on the small spaces, I got the 2 count, which was $6. $2 came off, making them four, and then the 34 sheets of Downy dryer sheets, they were $2.25. We have 50 cents coming off, making these $1.75. So this stuff totaled up to 30 something dollars, but after coupons it was $17.54, making each item $2.19 each. Then once I got my $10 P&G back, I got these four items, the 3 for 10 gain and a bag of Cheez-Its, and the total was 44 cents, making each item 11 cents. And I do have my receipt for that. I forgot to show y'all the receipt for the first transaction, but here it is. Here's my total with tax. So I just told y'all 44 cents because that was before tax. But if you must know, with tax, I paid $1.34. But it's still all good. It's way under $5. So you cannot beat that at all. And like I said, if you are trying to build a stockpile, stay on a budget, are working towards certain goals by budgeting, my videos is videos that you will want to tap into. Turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out on none of these deals, because no telling what type of deals I post, because I go to all different stores. I do not discriminate in deals, and I do not gatekeep. And I will be coming out with a budget planner here shortly that you can purchase. You can fill it out on the computer, on your iPad, or you can print it out and write on the planner. It's whatever you want to do, but stay tuned for that. I am so excited about this, y'all. And like I said, if you didn't watch my video yesterday, that's where I've been planning different little stuff and things of what nature, whatever. But let's get into these next hot deals, and these are deals that you don't even have to use coupons for. So let's get into those. Okay, y'all, here are some items. They had deals on these items today. Basically, put them at a very low discounted price. Some of these items have deals, coupons, and everything for. So starting off with the Ritz crackers, y'all, they were $2 today, which is Saturday. And they are originally $4.10, and we have a coupon if you spend. Okay, y'all, the Ritz were $2. We have a coupon. Spend $9, save 3. So I got 5 boxes. That was $10. $3 came off, making them $7. The original price on these was $4.10. So $2 is not bad. Then you have the Kraft Real Mayo, which is my favorite, 22 ounces. It was on sale today for $3. Regular price is $5, y'all. Cannot beat that. Then we have the Borden Queso on sale today, $3. Regular price $3.95. And we have a coupon where you earn $1 and you can use it up to 5 times. So I just got 2, and it made these $2 instead of $3. Then on the Energizer batteries, they were $3 a piece today. Original price was $5.75 on these. And on these, when you save $3 when you buy 3, so 3 of them was $9. $3 came off, making 3 packs just $6. And the reason why I have 4 is because the very first store I went to, they only had 1 pack left, so I couldn't get my 3, so I paid 3 for that. But for these, I did get to get in on the deal. where I saved the $3. Now, they do have $2 boxes of cereal, General Mills, and it's assorted ones, meaning it's not Cinnamon Toast Crunch, everybody's favorite, not Reese Puffs, not regular Lucky Charms, but the Rainbow Sprinkles, $2. And I had a coupon where if you buy two, you save $1. So for two of them, I paid what, $3, making them $1.50 each. Then on the Cheerios, I had where I earned cash back, and these confetti Cheerios $2. And we got the fruity Cheerios. They were $2. And then the only closest thing to Cinnamon Toast Crunch are these waffles and Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and they were $2. And they probably had more, but I didn't take time to scan everything. I just grabbed up what I thought would be on sale, and they were on sale and had coupons attaching. And these items right here were already marked. You didn't need to clip nothing unless a coupon popped up that you wanted to use for these particular items. Now I have probably one more deal that I'll show y'all at Dollar General, then Family Dollar, then we will end this video. Okay, y'all, here is my last deal from Dollar General. And I forgot y'all, I had another $10 off a P&G coupon. So I used it towards these items. And these items also have a $5 off when you spend 25. So let's get into these prices. We have the Angel South 6 mega rolls, $5.35, 50 cents off, making them $4.85. The 8 mega rolls are $6.35. We have $1.40 off, making them $4.95. I got a bag of the hefty garbage bags, 24 count. They are $5.95. We have 75 cents off, making them $5.20. Then the 4 equals 8 sparkle is $6.35. We have 50 cents coming off, making it $5.85. Then the 6 equals 12 sparkle, $7.95. Have $2 coming off, making it $5.95. So after all the coupons and that $10 P&G, I was left to pay $13 for all of these paper items and these trash bags. So y'all, let's get into Family Dollar deals, because y'all know they are coming strong with that 10 off of $30. And after all this shopping at Dollar General, y'all, I just had to stop in Family Dollar and meddle. And I did 2 deals. I'll probably just show y'all one, because this video is going to be super long. But I'm trying to hurry up, and let me show y'all this deal at Family Dollar. Then we going to end this video. Okay, y'all, this Family Dollar deal is for the Family Dollar lovers who love Family Dollars. I can't leave y'all out. So this is a 10 off a $30 deal right here. Starting off with the Charmin, 12 equals 48. It was 16. We have $2 off, making it 14. Then the Palmolive, and I got the value pack. It was $5. The Fabuloso was 6. Together they were $11. We have a $4 coupon attaching to both of these. So it'll make these $7 for these 2 value packs, which is not bad at all, because that $4 attaches to a lot of stuff. Then got the Twilight Lavender Febreze. It was $3.70. We have $2 coming off, making it $1.70. The Clorox Multi-Surface Cleaner was $4.75. We have $1 off, making it $3.75. Then I had picked up 2 of the Dixie plates. It's the 18 count, but you can get the I think it's 28 count. No, I don't know, but I just like the 10-inch plates because you can actually fit a whole meal on these. Now, them 8-inch paper plates I stay away from because they are so little and you can barely get anything on those plates. But they were $3.45 each, totaling $6.90. We have $1.50 off of 2 coupon, making these $5.40. So after coupons and at 10 off of 30, these items, y'all, was $21.85. So you cannot beat that at all. And this is a transaction at the Family Dollar. But y'all, that is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it and are able to get out today and do some of these deals. If not, we are having new deals starting tomorrow, and some of these coupons don't expire just yet, so you'll have time to use them. And basically, that's what I was showing y'all. Items was stuff that I got, and like some of them has coupons that doesn't expire yet, so you can always go back, use those, whatever the case may be. But like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deals I'll be dropping next. With that being said, I am out, y'all. Peace.